Great fictional characters. It is always exciting to read epic stories with adventures, strange characters and lots of action. The common theme in stories is the battle between good and evil. Good characters take on bad people in many wonderful stories. Let's meet some fictional book characters and their enemies. Harry Potter is a series of fantasy novels written by English author J.K. Rowling. A kind young wizard, Harry Potter, and his friends Hermione Granger and Ron Weasley struggle against Lord Voldemort. Lord Voldemort is a violent, dark wizard. He wants to live forever and to make all people his slaves. He destroys anything and anyone that gets in his way. He's pretty scary, isn't he? Harry is brave enough to face him. He does everything he can to stop Lord Voldemort. Can Harry protect his friends and the Ministry of Magic? Can he save the world? Peter Pan is a character created by Scottish novelist and playwright J.M. Barrie. He is a naughty young boy who can fly and never grows up. He lives on the island of Neverland as the leader of the Lost Boys, a group of children who don't grow up. The island has fairies, mermaids, and children from our world, like Wendy. Wendy and her brothers flew there with the help of Peter Pan. Evil lives there as well. There are pirates on this island, and their leader, Captain Hook, is Peter Pan's worst enemy. The ambitious Captain Hook wants to trap Peter and take over the island of Neverland. Have you read any of the books? Have you seen any films based on the stories of Peter Pan? Snow White is a 19th century German fairy tale. It is famous all over the world. The Brothers Grimm first published it in 1812. This fairy tale is a story about a beautiful princess, Snow White, and her bad stepmother, the evil queen. The queen is jealous of Snow White's beauty because she wants to be the fairest in the land. The queen orders a huntsman to take Snow White into the woods and kill her. The huntsman feels sorry for Snow White and lets her live. She hides in the forest in the house of 7 dwarves. The queen believes she is the fairest of them all again. But the mirror tells her that Snow White is. She finds where Snow White is hiding, dresses up as an old woman and makes her bite a poisoned apple. She will sleep forever. But it is possible to break the spell. Do you know this story? How does it end? Which of these is your favourite story? Which characters do you like the most?